Hey guys, anyways, Hope here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to schedule a text message for a particular day and time on your iPhone. Now, this is going to be using the Siri Shortcuts application and the automations option. Now, I have several videos on where I show you how to get custom charging sounds and things like that using automation. So if you want to watch that, links will be in the description. But as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you how you can custom schedule a text message on your iPhone to go out at a particular day or time. This is very useful for several instances. For example, for birthdays, if you don't want to forget, you can schedule these messages and they'll be sent automatically. So first up, launch the Siri Shortcuts app, go to automations, then click on the plus icon and click on create a personal automation. Then we're going to head on over to time of day, and here we're going to select a month. So here is where we're going to look at the calendar and see which day we want this text message to be sent out, and of course here is the time. Now it is 11:45, so I'm going to schedule this for 11:47 just for the purpose of the video, but of course you can send it at any time and day. So let's go ahead and click on next, and then we're going to go ahead and search for send a message. The option under actions, we're going to select send a message. So send message options here, send message. Now we're going to go ahead and type in the message here where it says message. So happy birthday, for example. Let's go ahead and type that. And then the recipient, I'm just going to send it to myself, of course, just for the purpose of the video. Okay, so there we go. So the message is set and the recipient is well. Now you want to click on the next, and then we're going to tap here on ask before running. We're going to check no for that. So do not ask. This way it will run automatically. Now when the time reaches 11:47 a.m., this message will automatically go out and you'll see it populate here in my messages. So let's go ahead and wait till 11:47 here, and you'll see that this message will automatically be sent here to the iPhone. So there we go. It's 11:47 a.m. The message has been sent using shortcuts. If I go into messages, there it is at 11:47 a.m. Happy birthday was sent to this iPhone. Now you didn't see the notification because I'm sending the message to myself, but if you send it to someone else, of course, they will see the notification populate. And that is how you schedule text messages on an iPhone. I hope you guys enjoy this quick one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.